In this video, I will show you how to fix a banned or disabled Claude account. If you cannot access your Claude account, then the main solution is to submit an appeal. For that, open your web browser and here you want to search Appeal and Fix Disabled Account Claude. Now go ahead and click on the first website, which is Safeguards Warning and Appeals. Select that option. Here, under Appeals section, select Submit an Appeal. This will open an appeal form where you can request a review of your account. Enter the email address connected to your Claude account, then continue to next step. You will be asked to explain why you believe your account should not be suspended. Provide a clear and valid explanation, then submit the form. After submitting your appeal, follow any additional instructions shown on the screen. Claude support team will review your request and contact you through email with an update. Keep in mind that account appeals are reviewed individually and approval is not guaranteed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.